So hey guys, once you've connected your page with Kontentino, you're ready to create your ads or posts. First, select your page and content plan. Then click the date you want to schedule a post for or go to the plus button. You choose the post type you would like to make your content stand out. It's gonna be an image, video, link, carousel, or even 360 photos. It's up to you. Let's create a link post, for example. Type in the post copy, add some emojis, tag another Facebook page, and restrict your audience if necessary. Paste the URL link and submit. Your link ownership is verified, so feel free to change your image, headline, and even the description. Don't forget to add CTA and define your UTM tags. Choose the time you want your post to go live. Fill in the boost budget field to have a good overview of what do you plan to spend on this post. This will not boost your post on Facebook though. It is just an informative field. Add your labels to have a nice overview about how was your content distributed. In case your post needs more detailed explanation, type in the note field so your colleagues know its background. Now click completed if your post is ready to go live or in case somebody needs to approve it. Click Assign Task in case you still need some adjustments to be done with the post. Ask your copywriter to check the copy or graphic designer to check the visual. Now you are finished with your post and can see the actual live preview of it. If you are happy with the post but still need to get approval, simply send your post for approval. In case nobody needs to approve it, just schedule your post. Your post is now exported to Facebook and you can find it amongst the scheduled posts, from where it will be automatically published.